Hi guys, familiar ba kayo nito na bulaklak guys? This is also a kind of herbal plant, itong sabila or aloe vera. Have you noticed the stalk guys? Try to see guys the stalk of aloe vera. This kind of plant has many benefits guys. This is known as aloe vera or sabila. So guys, if you want to research what is the purpose of aloe vera guys, this is good for our skin, especially in the face part of our face part of our body or in the hair. This is a kind of aloe vera that is good for our skin, but we should undergo with other kinds of experimentation guys, so that we will know what is the benefits or the overall benefits of this plant. So kung gusto nyo ito guys, like and share and comment guys. Thank you guys.